Wait. Go ahead.
So, hi guys. We're assembling a car. This is the day's project. So, I'm assembling a car. So, I'm getting out the screws. You can watch me if you want. If you don't want to, you can. If you want to, you can. If you don't, you don't have to.
Okay.
And sometimes if you do want to do this project, ask your parents for help just in case.
Yeah.
You want to help. Yeah. My mommy's right next to me filming.
So what's your favorite part about this project?
I'm getting everything off.
Yeah. Do you like using tools?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm programmed.
You're programmed. So what was happening earlier with the light bulbs?
The connections of
The connections?
Yeah, the connections. They turned these on, and my mommy had to take these out because one of them didn't want to get out. He wanted to stay in his home. He doesn't want to get by a stranger, I think.
I gotcha. Okay.
So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.